come in, Kay, the Corona Tigers.
Congratulations, brother. Enjoy that retirement from the Tiger Den.
All right, thank you, 138, 1744 Tree Trio. Time is 1800 hours. This is KD962, the radio station of the New York City Fire Department in the borough of the Bronx, operating on a assigned frequency of 154.19 megahertz. And boys, it's going to hurt to say it, but I got to do it. My final transmission by the Beefy Dispatcher Tree Trio. During my career with this great fire department, the FDNY, I have a lot of great memories. There were some sad times, some unhappy times, but most of all, they were the greatest times of my life. I wish all the members of this great fire department a good, healthy prosperity. There is an old Irish saying, may we be in heaven 30 minutes before the devil knows we're gone. Thank you all for your help in many ways and your great friendship in my 43 years service to the city of New York. May God bless you all, and God bless America. Brothers, stay low and let it blow. Tree Trio out.
This is